Oh, Lord have mercy. All right, we've got a new farm jack out. We'll see how it goes. And as you can see, the guys are taking the door off.
Wow. That's not supposed to be there.
So we were going up this, trying it with a couple of the Jeeps, and one of the guys got stuck.
There we go.
Bring yourself forward and keep on coming. Give yourself some momentum.
There we go. Nice. First one.
Devan came up, same kind of thing. He got caught somewhere around here.
4 high or 4 low, Jeff? I started on 4 high, I got out of my predicament 4 low. You're high center, back yourself up. Okay, stop. You want your driver's side tire to come up and over this stump right here.
Yeah. Whoa.
Hold up, stop.
All right, we got a problem.
Hey, Devin, go back slowly.
Yeah. There you go, stop.
All right, Sam, we might need that high lift jack, buddy.
But one of the big sticks or logs got stuck in between his spring, his brake lines up underneath the tire, and yeah.
It's almost like we need to get a saw in there and.
It's so close to your brake lines and stuff, that'd be dangerous in itself. I think.
We are doing a maximum capacity scissor jack attempt here to get this tire off. We already tried a farm jack, but believe it or not, it's from the well-known, dare I say it, Chris?
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight, and it broke as we were trying to go back down.
Are you confident in your operation here?
Yeah.
Devin.
Yeah.
You understand the downsides of these and like what could happen?
Yeah, I've seen some videos. One more.
Can I borrow your stand? Yeah, go for it. The jack was under so much stress, and I don't know if it was user error or manufacturer error, but it has managed to break. It broke from right here. I've never seen a Harbor Freight jack do that.
It's coming out. I don't care how it happens. It'll be like, do not try this at home kind of stuff. I feel like we're on the edge of that right here.
My high lift jack broke, and then we pulled Jeff's out here.
Since we're worried about the truck going that way, we don't want the farm jack handle to go into the side of this beautiful door. So someone had the very bright idea of taking the door off. And depending on how that goes, we might take the roof off next. I don't really know. We haven't decided.
The plot thickens.
Yeah.
Go one more.
She's sliding. Yeah. All right, grab that wheel, go now.
Farm jack is leaning. If she slides off, that rotor's on the ground. We moved the jack once again.
This is more towards the back of the vehicle. That way it's not trying to lift the front end up as well.
We'd prefer that front end to still be planted to increase the friction between the Jeep and the ground.
Somebody told me that this is what Jeeping's about.
Yeah. The only thing we're missing is beer.
Wow. That's not supposed to be there. Put the wheel back on. We got the log out. We're shortly going to get back on the trails.
My high lift jack broke, and then we pulled Jeff's out here. The difference in these jacks is when you look at this metal, it is a lot thicker, a lot beefier, and the support brace is braced back here. As it lifts, it doesn't do like mine had failed and break at the top here. It's actually supported a lot better, thicker material, This is a northern industrial tool, and I believe these tools are made not out of Chinesium. If you're going for a high lift jack, I'd look at something like this. Harbor Freight tools, be careful.